First of all, I'm dressed for the conditions. Dry top with latex seals, boots, full foul weather gear. No worries there. I'm going to stay dry for the few minutes that I'm out here talking to you guys. The water's constantly over the cabin top and raining down from the weather side. This is what it looks like to weather. It doesn't seem that rough as compared to when you're in the cockpit. Right now we're going 22 knots. And surfing down the wave will go probably 24 in a second. Oh, that is some cold, cold water. There you go, with a waterfall over the cabin top. The boat is moving awfully quick right now. There you have it. And the view from leeward is maybe a bit more spectacular, although pretty dangerous to come down here. The outrigger is underwater a lot. Bow varies sometimes. Boat is really hauling ass. 33 knots of breeze at the moment in this gust with the wave. She's a good boat, rides with the bow up all the time, which is nice. It means no nose diving, no sudden acceleration and deceleration, creating load on the rig. And let's say that's pretty much that for the tour at the moment. Sails are very small.